Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we're going to be doing some Valentine's Day clips using some clothespins inspired by the One Spot at Target clips from like last year. I think these were given like last year. You guys see these? These were from last year, and I think so was this one. And these two small ones down here as well. So as you can see, my little lineup of clips that I've made, I thought that it would be fun if we had a little craft session making some together, and how to show you guys how super easy they are to make. So we're gonna make two small ones and we're gonna make two big ones. The small ones are fairly easy. The big ones have a little bit of work to them, but it's super easy. So first I want to show you guys what I'm working with. So I'm working with a bunch of stickers. I have a variety of hearts and stuff to place on the clips, if you can see them. If we want to use like the shaker ones, some little flat ones, some Dear Lizzy ones. We have a ton of enamel dots if we need them. We have some twine. We have some felt stickers, some hearts. We have some crepe paper already cut. And just for the purpose of the video, I did paint some of them in red and pink with acrylic paint. And then I got some of these little strips right here. I have a little piece of cut ribbon to kind of do a replica of one of those to show you guys. And then I found these in my stash, and I thought that this would be just fun just to show you guys a really easy way of kind of doing a replica of this, and it's just placing this little adhesive wood arrow on top of the regular clip. Oh, I feel like I gotta sneeze. That's the second time I had this today. I better not be getting sick again, you guys. Oh god, this is horrible. Okay, my wife is sick again. Can you believe that? We've been sick like 3 times already. It's horrible. You know what it is that some days it's warm, some days it's super cold, and then the next day it'll be like in the 60s. It's like Mother Nature needs to get it together, you guys. She really does. This is the paint, and I just use the acrylic paint from not Michael's, Walmart. So I got this one in the light pink and in red. So yeah, you guys, let's make some clips. We're gonna make the small ones first because the small ones look super easy, and they are super easy. So I'm going to pick these little hearts right here, and I want to make, and see, these have just like a little thing there. You can just add some extra hot glue. So I'm gonna place maybe this one right above. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Like right above there, because I want to be able to hold on to the heart. So just add a little bit. I'm going to take it off. I'm going to add a little dot of hot glue right up top, just so that it'll hold more, and place it right there. How easy is that, you guys? Can you guys see? Focus up. I feel like the glare is not letting me focus. Okay. But yeah, see how easy that is? And now it's attached really good there, and I could use the little clip. So this is our first one, and it's in pink with a little gold pink. That one matches that one, and now we're going to do one on the bottom. This one has the heart on the bottom of the clip, so when you clip at the bottom. So we're going to find another heart that we can put on the bottom. We're going to use one of these Pebbles puffy stickers. The polka dots. One. And this one, we're going to place it right here. So before we like glue it down, we should just look at it. Look at that, how cute. Isn't that the cutest? And these are super cute to just like add to your projects or clip them onto your loaded bags, package them up, and give them to your pen pals. Look at that, all done. And then they could clip it on. So these are the small ones. Now we're gonna work on some big ones. Now, these are the ones that are inspired by the ones in Target. And we're gonna make one like this. Except I'm not gonna do the glitter because I can't find my glitter. But we're gonna do one like that. We're gonna use the pink one. And I'm gonna grab my twine. And what I'm gonna do is, we're only gonna put it on, as you can see, one side. See that? So we're gonna start very low. And what you're gonna wanna do is put a drop of glue in the inside right here so that your first little ending of your twine, see, you guys can see that, has something to kind of like latch onto, and then you just let it stick so that you can start going. Let's bring this down so you can start going around and it's holding on to something. You understand? You see what I'm doing? Hopefully I'm in frame. And keep pushing it down to make your twine nice and straight. And then you just wrap all the way to the top. Or as far as you would want to go. I'm only going to go about that far. And then you hold on, you cut your little piece of twine right there, and then you're gonna do the same thing and do a little drop of hot glue right there and lay it right on top. And this is what you should have. You see that? It's all wrapped up. Let's take this out of here. See how that is? It's like wrapped up on the top. This one's a smaller clip than this one. And now we're gonna get a little heart to put up here. And I'm gonna use, maybe I'll use one of these little foam hearts. I think I'm gonna put one of these little foam hearts up here. Let me just add some glue at the bottom. I like to add hot glue just to reinforce it. So I'm gonna add that there. See that? And then you wanna find like a bigger heart for the bottom. I think I have, I think this one's too big. Right here. So I'm gonna put this white one right there. See that? That's where I'm gonna put the, well, I'm actually gonna cover that part right there. I'm gonna add my hot glue. And you see how cute that is, you guys? And then you can add some glitter like I did right here. You can add some glitter right there. I actually think I have some glitter glue that my friend sent me. Let's try that out. What do you guys think? Let's see how this works. Ooh. Let's see. I think too much came out. I have little hearts in it. Okay. Some glitter. And now we'll just let that dry, and it should dry like with glitter on it. A little glossy in the middle. Oh, that's fun. See? So we have this one. Now I have to clean my finger on my shirt because I don't have a napkin. Okay. And I use this, you guys. My friend sent it to me on a swap. Okay, so far we did this one, and if you wanted to add like another heart on top, you definitely can. Like if you wanted to do like a double, you can do whatever you want, you guys. You really can. So we're gonna place that one there. The next one that we're gonna do is we're gonna do like the crepe paper one. Something like this, like a cute little crepe paper style. I think these are cute. So all you have to do for that is grab your pin, no, not your pin, yeah, your pin, your clothespin. And then, as if you would do your project, you're gonna add a line of glue all the way down. Place it down, try to work fairly quickly. Grab your crepe paper and start scrunching it up. Oh my god, was I blurry that whole time? I think I was blurry. I'm sorry for that. But I'll show you guys again. See how this came out? I'll show you guys one more. Because I think that little part, when I hit the focus, it just stood blurry. So here's another one that we're gonna do the crepe paper on. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna put your hot glue right above it. Then you're gonna wanna grab your crepe paper, put it right on top. And then you're gonna wanna scrunch. And then you scrunch it up. This one didn't come out so good because it dried up. I'm sorry, you guys, but this is what it should look like. I don't like the way this one came out. I think it came out a little messed up. So we're gonna take out the crepe paper on this one. And I'm gonna show you guys how I put the ribbon on this one. So then I'm just gonna place a nice little gold ribbon, well, polka dot ribbon right on top. See how cute that looks? It looks so delicate. So I'm gonna put some more glue right above that, where I can place my ribbon. And this is what we have so far. You guys see? Oh, the glare is so bad here today. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little heart to the bottom part, like we did over here. So I'm gonna add some hot glue to the back of this heart. I'm going to place it right there. And look, you guys, you have a nice little clip that you can share with a pen pal or put on some Happy Mail. I love these, you guys. They're so fun to make. And the last one I want to show you guys is how to put these clips on the... I actually painted this one red, but... oh, I can probably show you guys how you can do that one too. You can put, I have these little strips right here. And you can just take your little strip and see, place it like right on top. I have to cut off 3 little squares. So that it could fit in here. And then you just place it right on top. Match to like fit right in your clip. See that? And then you can get like a little red heart. We're gonna get another puffy heart, and then you could place your heart right on top. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And simple and fun. And as far as this one goes, I don't have a bigger clip, but you guys get the idea. You can take these off and just place them right underneath the clip, and then you'll have an even bigger clip. Kind of like, see how this one is small in the back, but it has that big piece on top? That's kind of like what you do with these. But yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sorry if I was like all over the place. It's just so much going on here. But yeah, I hope you guys make some clips. Let me know what you think. I don't know what's wrong with my phone today. It's like not focusing correctly. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you try them out. Thank you guys so much for the love on my videos. Please don't forget to thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I make videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!